Greetings, this is Earthman from Origami's Living Soil, here to tell you more tales from the soil. What do we have here? We have, I guess you could say IMO 4, but my own version. I call it DMO 4, and this is one of the parts of my Genesis pack. Uh, Basically what we got here is a lot of mycocillin growth. As you can see, it is just piled up, and that's what you get in every pack of Genesis packs of Origami's Living Soil. It is full of life. What is in that life? Well, basically you got a lot of different bacteria, all designed to break down a lot of your nutrients that aren't available to the root system. And there's a lot of different fungus, different VAMs and mycorrhizals, but mainly endos, and they're designed to bring that nutrient back and also break down nutrients, control the pH, coat the root systems with slime to protect them from pH fluctuations, because when you got a lot of life in your soil, you're going to have acidity. But nonetheless, we're dealing with a whole bunch of life here. And so I encourage you, if you want to go organics, you have to have life in your soil. And with Origami's Living Soil products, you're going to get bacteria specifically designed to break down all the different type of macro and micronutrients in your soil rhizosphere, and then reach out and grab them because of the VAMs, and then my own add-in of different type of my own personal IMOs that I've collected soil samples and different bacteria soil sources that are designed to help a plant grow healthy and strong, give it vigor. And also I put my own brand of bokashi in there, a couple different lactate bacterias, a purple non-sulfur purple bacteria, a yeast bacteria, all designed to be effective microbes that are there to keep the colonies of bacteria policed up, to make sure that we don't have any pathogens set in. Because when you have soil that doesn't have any life in it, or has very little life, that's when you're going to get stinky soil, and that's because you have a pathogen in your soil, a bacteria. And when you don't have good life in there to outnumber the bad, and also the good life excreting different enzymes and acids that are not very good for bad bacteria and colonization of that sort. So, once again, this is Earthman from Origami Soil. Thought I'd share this with you so you can see what living soil should look like. What am I going to do with this now? I'm going to mix it all together, and then it's going to be one of the three major parts of the Genesis pack. The other being inoculated biochar, and also charged with all your NPKs and macronutrients. And then I have some hydroponic stones, the clay round stones, that I have inoculated too with a lot of beneficial bacteria. And not to mention, the biochar was also charged with a whole bunch of different type of biostimulants. So you're going to see amazing results when you use the Genesis pack. What is it? You add 1.5 cup of the Genesis pack to a gallon of premium organic soil, and that's it. That's all you do. And you just add water for the entire life cycle of your plant without flushing or adding any junk to it, or even good stuff to it, but in a liquid form that it could be expensive and time consuming and hurt your brain. So with this, it's just add water. You gotta just in the beginning, first 30 days, you have to pH the water until the bacteria or fungi form a bonding with the root system and coat it and protect it from pH fluctuations. And also you have to have dechlorinated water if you live in a city of some sort. When you use chlorine, let your water sit for 72 hours is best. So, once again, this is Earthman from Origami's Living Soil. I hope well for all your plants and your garden, and you have a great day. God bless.